Welcome again to Let's Learn Garifuna, Aprendamos Garífuna. This is a series of educational videos designed with people who want to learn how to learn to read and speak Garifuna like me. In this lesson, we will learn about verb conjugation, present, past, and future, progressive, expressing have, negation, needs, wants, likes, and dislikes. Feel free to leave your comments and suggestions on what subjects you would like us to develop a lesson on. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video to improve our algorithms and grow more. Thank you. Bienvenidos nuevamente a Let's Learn Garifuna, Aprendamos Garífuna. Esta es una serie de videos educativos diseñados con personas que quieren aprender a leer y a escribir Garifuna como yo. En esta lección aprenderemos sobre conjugación verbal, presente, pasado y futuro progresivo, expresando, tener, negación, necesidades, deseos, gustos y disgustos. Siéntase libre de dejar sus comentarios y sugerencias sobre los temas de los que le gustaría que desarrollemos una lección. No se olvide de suscribirse a este canal y darle like a este video para mejorar nuestros algoritmos y que crezcamos. Muchas gracias. Agamba Bana, you listen to me, escúcheme. A miñón hogu, miaus, a oído de gato. Amuga, hope that, espero que. Anihala, while, during the time, mientras, durante el tiempo. Arancedina, I am ready, estoy listo. Asiedu, plate, plato. Bandi, several, large number. Varios, gran número. Bowlu, bowl. Tazón, escudilla. Budain, bottle, botella. Budugu, store, bodega, tienda. Dabarasi, pan, sartén. Durumandei, problem, problema. Echuni, habit, hábito. Egi, greater, rayador. Eba, guañaja, run around, correr alrededor. Figaga, turkey, pavo. Figiedu, fork, tenedor. Fisiu, occupation, oficio. Fulesi, favor, hacer un favor. Funa, perhaps, quizás, tal vez. Gabayu, horse, caballo. Gabusu, stove, estufa. Ga, having, teniendo. Ganaru, duck, pato. Garadu, rat, ratón. Gasigamu, armadillo, armadillo. Gawara, possible, can, able to, posible, poder, capaz de. Gayu, chicken, gallina. Gegusi, tiger, tigre. Guenle, now, immediately, ahora, inmediatamente. Gulieru, spoon, cuchara. Gumesewama, let's begin, comencemos, empecemos. Gundabadina, I will be happy, yo seré feliz. Gusina, kitchen, cocina. Gusiu, knife, cuchillo. Hada, among, entre. Hesebeguati, a long time ago, hace mucho tiempo. Huru, crab, cangrejo. Itara, thus, like this, por lo tanto, así. K, like as, como, igual que. Keburi, for example, such as como por ejemplo, Kimule, full, having enough to eat, lleno después de comer. Kumu, bathroom, inodoro, baño. Lau, with him, around him, con él a su alrededor. Lenregu, herengu, difficult, difícil. Lidure, thin, delgado. Luba, lugundu, because, conjunction, por qué, conjunción. Mama, how sad, surprise, qué triste, sorpresa. Manufude, unafraid, fearless, brave, sin miedo, bravo. Mesu, cat, gato. Miñón, miau, aullido. Múnada, at home, indoors, en casa, adentro. Numa, a term of endearment, cariño, querida, querido, mi vida. Owebu, enormous, great, enorme, grande. Only, dog, perro. Sagu, each, every, cada. Sagatiweyu, every day, todos los días. Tia, you know, tú sabes. Ubo, uboguagu, world, mundo. Uduru, fish, pescado. Ugura, hammock, hamaca. Achaguhani, lunch, almuerzo. Adulu, porridge, atole. Apuli, apple, manzana. Aranzu, orange, naranja. Ati, pepper, chile picante. Awasi, corn, maíz. Bachalile, lámina, binafi, breakfast, desayuno. Badia, watermelon, sandía. Baruru, plantain, plátano. Bebe, grapes, uvas. Beru, butter, mantequilla. Bimena, banano, banana. Charigi, grapefruit, toronja. Chuguladi, chocolate, chocolate. Dumadi, tomato, tomate. Durutia, tortilla. Eifi, beans, frijoles. Ereba, cassava bread, pan de yuca, casabe. Faluma, coconut, coco. Fein, bread, pan. Fein bimetu bonu, sweet bread, pan dulce, pan bon. Fein falumotu, coconut bread, pan de coco. Furidu, fried, frito. Fuluaru, flour, harina. Furefuru, black pepper, pimienta negra. Furesugu, soda, gaseosa, refresco. Furidu, fried fish, pescado frito. Furuda, fruit, fruta. Furumasu, cheese, queso. Gafe, coffee, café. Gañé, eggs, huevos. Gurentu, plantain, coconut milk, and spices porridge, atol. Hudutu, pounded green and ripe plantain, machuca. Iro, juice, jugo. Keki, cake, pastel. Lira aranzu, orange juice, jugo de naranja. Lubugu, egini, dinner, cena. Mango, mango. Miligi, milk, leche. Mingon, potato and what's made with it, papa. Rice and beans, rice and beans. Rice, arroz. Salu, salt, sal. Sugara, sugar, azúcar. Supu, soup, sopa. Uniye, drink, bebida. Uri, cashew, marañón. Guariafa, guava, guayaba. Wiandu, beef, carne. Achuja, to toss repeatedly, lanzar repetidamente. Achuluja, to keep coming, continuar regresando. Afagua, to strive, esforzarse. Agamba, to hear, to pay attention, oír, poner atención. Agumesera, to start, empezar, comenzar. Amiñoja, to meow, maullar. Anufudeja, to frighten, asustar. Arianja, to report, to tell someone in confidence, to complain, reportar, reclamar. Arufuda, to show, enseñar. Asariaja, to wander, to go around, vagar, dar vueltas. Asegura, to pass, to exceed, pasar, exceder. Aucha, to grow, to germinate, crecer, germinar. Awoja, to bark, ladrar. Daragu, to open, abrir. Emeragua, to rest, descansar. Ideragua, to help, ayudar. Lariji, to seem, parecer. Aucha, to try, probar. Aritaja, to remind, to reflect, recordar, reflejar. Grammar. Verb conjugation, present progressive. The present progressive expresses an ongoing action that is currently happening. In English, it is formed by using am, is, are, with the present particle verbs ending in ing. In Garifuna, the present progressive is formed by using the pronominal prefixes and the ñ suffix. Note that some infinitives, such as arija, change the final letter before adding the suffix. Many infinitives ending in gua drop the final a before adding the ñ suffix. Example, arija, to see. First person would be narijuña, I am seeing. Singular, warijuña, we are seeing in plural. Second person, barijuña, you are seeing. Harijuña, you're all seeing. That will be plural. Third person, male. Larijuña, he's seeing. Past progressive. The past progressive expresses a past action that was happening when another action occurred. In English, it is formed by using was, where, with the present particle ing ending. In Garifuna, it is formed by using the present progressive and adding words indicating time in the past, such as buga. Example, arija, to see. In first person will be narijuña buga, I was seeing. In plural, it will be warijuña buga, we were seeing. Second person will be barijuña buga, you were seeing. And in third person male, larijuña buga, he was seeing. Third person female will be tarijuña buga, she was seeing. So on and so forth. Present progressive and past progressive with definite objects. Conjugate the verb in either the present progressive or past progressive, then add the following suffixes in the word person ña. Plus I becomes ñe. In the third person, feminine ña plus un or un becomes known. First person, dina, singular, or diwa for plural. Second person, dibu for singular and diu for plural. Example, narihunye, I am seeing him. Barihunyanu, irahunyu, you are seeing the children. Larihunyadiwa, he is seeing us. Tarihunyanu, she is seeing them. Warihunyon, buga, dunuru, we were seeing the bird. Harihunyadina, you, as plural, are seeing me. Harihunyadina, they are seeing me. Future progressive. The future progressive expresses an ongoing or continuous action that will take place in the future. In English, it is formed by using will be or shall be with the present particle ing ending. In Garifuna, it is formed as follows. Gerund plus particle. The gerund in Garifuna is formed by adding ina, to the infinitive verb. If the verb ends in an A, change the A to an E. This form is rarely used in Garifuna. Example, ariha, to see. Arihena, seeing. Then add the following. First person would be nuba. In plural would be waba. Second person, buba. In plural, huba. Third person, male, luba. Plural, haba. Third person, female, tuba. Example, ariha. Arihena nuba, I will be seen. Arihena buba, you will be seen. Arihena luba, he will be seeing. Arihena tuba, she will be seeing. Arihena waba, we will be seen. Arihena huba, you will be seen. Arihena haba, they will be seen. Expressing likes and dislikes. The following format is used to express likes and dislikes. The structure is similar to Spanish gustarme and literally translates approximately to subject pleasing to object. The literal translation is given in parentheses with examples below. The object pronouns are as follows. First person, nu. Plural will be won. Second person, boom. Plural will be hun. Third person, male, will be lun. Plural will be hon. Third person, female, would be tun, T-U-N. For example, hisieti, singular, masculine, plus subject preposition to. Object pronoun, hisietu, to. Hisietinya, to. Misieti, to. Misietu, to. Misietinya, to. Examples. Hisieti abina hanu, I like to dance. Hisietu gafe lu, he likes coffee. Hisietinya irahunu hon, they like children. Misieti mesu le won, we don't like this cat. Misietu dunuru to tu, she doesn't like this bird. Misietinya only boom, you don't like dogs. Now, expressing have. The most common ways of expressing possession in Garifuna are as follows. Literal translations are given in parentheses. Number 1, the prefix ga is attached to the object of possession and then the word is conjugated. Example, gaweruti, she has a glass. Anihin for male and anuhon for female and anihin for plural are used. These mean there is and there are, respectively. The conjugated preposition uma with is added. Literally, this is saying there is with me. Example, anihe aba weru numa. I have a glass. There is a glass with me. Anuhon niyama di buma. Do you have my suitcase? Is my suitcase with you? Note, for example, this uses the to be verb to express possession. Similarly, the to be is sometimes omitted in expressing possession. Example, atirinye aransu numa. How many oranges do I have? Or how many oranges with me? Diseñe aransu numa. I have 10 oranges. 10 oranges with me. The to be verb will be discussed further in lesson 8. Negation. Negation is usually expressed in the following manner. Number 1, the prefix ma is used to express a specific lack with the n suffix. The word is then conjugated. Examples. Masensuti ugunye. He doesn't have money today. Number 2, the prefix ma is used with the suffix nga to express a situation lack. For example, masensuga without money. Number 3, before pronouns, mama is used. For example, mama boom is not for you. Mama ligia meme is not the same. Number 4, for verbs, add the prefix ma, then the infinitive verb, then the suffix n, and then conjugate the verb. Note that the last letter of the infinitive may change. Examples, marihitina, I do not see. Marihibadina, I will not see it. Expressing needs and wants. To express needs and wants, mege, to need, and busie, to want, are used to express needs and wants. For example, mege tina duna, I need water. Mege tibu duna, do you need water? Busie ti egini, he wants food. Lección 6, ejercicios páginas 105 a la 115. A trabajar. Subscribe, like, and share. Suscríbete, dale like y comparte. Donate to this project by scanning this code from Cash App. Also, if you don't have Cash App, we take PayPal. We also have a learning tool called the Garifuna Language Workbook, which is available on Amazon. Look it up under Garifuna Language Workbook.